should have thought of home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the...
Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I'm just doing some laundry here. Some shorts. Just putting away my laundry. Maybe you guys would like to know how I fit all of this crap in these cupboards. It's actually pretty simple. I just find a hole and shove it in there. Got my long johns. Got some clean long johns for when it's cold. Got a shirt here. Shove it in there. There. Matches thick. That's why my blanket doesn't sit on top of my bag, because if my blanket was up against these cupboards, I wouldn't be able to open them. I can barely open them the way it is with this foamy. Foamy is like an inch too thick, so when I get a new foamy, it'll be easier to get into these cupboards. But yeah, that's laundry put away. No, it was pretty late. I didn't really start until late. Well, I woke up this morning and decided to go rip out to Lumbee, do some laundry, and then when I got back into Vernon, I stopped, had a little snack, had chicken noodle soup, and tummy wasn't feeling very well today, so I just sat on the side of the road and watched a TV show and saw a bald eagle, which was kind of cool. So that's that little bald eagle you saw at the beginning of the clip, and that's what I just saw a little while ago. So that's pretty much the end of my night. I'm just gonna cook some dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna cook here. I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner. I haven't really decided yet. I forgot to pull a steak last night and put it in the fridge, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Well, today's another day. Today we're gonna head out, we're gonna hit the Kal Rail Trail. Let's go enjoy this nice sunny day while it's still sunny, because the last few days it's been kind of rainy and crappy. So now that the actual weather's kind of nice, I'd prefer like snow or sunshine, not in between. And now that it's sunshine, we're gonna go enjoy it. Alright, let's hit the road.
I'ma let you go.
My love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about love.
This is actually kind of interesting. So it looks like there's a fault line underneath this lake. We're here, and I'm just walking around along the rail trail. Came across this information, and this right here, that's Cousins Bay, not the Rattlesnake Point. So just over there, that's Rattlesnake Point. Around the corner is Juniper Bay, and up there is where I mountain bike a lot. That's pretty cool. There's a bunch of hiking trails all over this mountain. Definitely worth looking at. And at the same time, I was looking at this, and this is the reason why this lake is so beautiful and so clear that you can literally see the fish swimming by. And you can just see so deep. Pretty cool. So if I get this right, there's an organism or microbacteria or something so tiny in the lake that when the sun hits it, so photosynthesis, blah blah blah, turns the lake less acidic, and that's why you can see so clearly through it and why it's so clean, because it's on top of a fault line. Like it's on top of a tectonic, between two tectonic plates underneath the crust. I don't know. beyond my mind-blowing comprehension, but that's kind of interesting that that's why the lake is this color, because people come here and they say this is like the Caribbean right here in the Okanagan. It's pretty cool.
Let's take a trip to uptown. Don't you wish we could be out of sight, out of mind? Take my hand, don't go slow. I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the scene finally got some clarity. Don't you know? All I ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, vision quite magnified. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside. Turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go. Roll down all the windows.
So I got done my big walk. I walked pretty close to 10 kilometers, I think just shy of 200 meters or something like that. So I'm gonna call it a 10-kilometer walk. Whew, my hips are pretty sore. My feet are a little bit sore, but that's okay. We're gonna make some dinner. Got my steak all out. It's thawed up. I'm just warming it up to room temperature before I cook it. I'm gonna sear it for, 6-7 minutes. We'll flip it over for another 6 minutes because it's a thick boy. We'll make it a nice medium rare steak. Probably cook up some, I'm gonna cut up some salad. I got some Caesar salad mix. I'll probably make up the last little bit of lettuce I got. And we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna relax here. I'm just sitting here on the top of a lookout just above Vernon. And then after I'm done dinner, I'm gonna go into Winfield and I'm gonna hit the gym, and once I'm done that, we'll take off to find a location where I can sleep tonight. I probably will just call it a night. It is getting pretty dark. I'm gonna do a little workout, have a little shower, and then call it a night. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little short clip today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Take my hand, don't go slow. I'm chasing the afterglow. Dance with me while the scene finally got some clarity. Don't you know? All I ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, vision quite magnified. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the world outside. Turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go. Roll down all the windows.